Welcome back. Hectic moves are on at the government level to remove Manoj Shrivastava from the post of CEO of the Entertainment Society of Goa. As per sources, final decision would be taken in ESG's governing council meeting to be held on Tuesday.
Hectic moves are on at government level to remove Manoj Shrivastava from the post of Entertainment Society of Goa. Sources say that even senior politicians have given their approval for the removal. Artists from theatre and film industry were demanding removal of Shrivastava from past many days. When Prudent tried to find out more details, none were ready to reveal any info on the movement in the government. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar said that he has not received anything in this connection till now. Sources from ESG say that final decision on removal of CEO would be taken in ESG's governing council meet on Tuesday. Mamas in the society are stating that Shrivastava remained on the post of CEO of ESG due to support from some powerful central leaders. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Students pursuing their academic career from Chaugule College would be well chosen. Principal of the Chaugule College, R.V. Gaunkar, said that at the behest of CM, the admissions are being opened for the higher secondary. However, he has not cleared whether the higher secondary will continue next year.
The Chaugule Higher Secondary has opened online admissions for the 11th standard students from Friday night. Earlier, there were pressures from groups not to shut down the higher secondary. Former MLA Damu Naik and present MLA of Fatorda, Vijay Sardesai, had urged not to shut down the higher secondary.
We are not at all under pressure, or we have not taken this decision under pressure. And since we met Chief Minister yesterday, so at his request, we have thought of keeping our admission, online admission for the 11th standard for arts and science open, and since last night we have kept the site open for everybody to apply.
On Friday, Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar had a meet with the management of the Chaugules and convinced the management to commence admissions for the students. R.V. Gaunkar, however, didn't clear if the same system would continue the next year.
Right now the issue was for the admission to our 11th science and 11th arts, 11th admissions. So that we have cleared.
So next year and further?
Next year still we have got 1 year time to think on this issue.
Our reporter in Madgaon, Samir Bhatt.
Some unusual smoke and flames from an LPG cylinder shocked the Kundaikar family in Santinez. They informed that within 15 minutes after lighting the gas stove, there was unbearable smoke oozing out from the cylinder. The smoke left the family with some burning sensation in their eyes and constipation. Here is a report.
Kundaikar family was in shock when they realized that the cylinder gave out some unusual smoke which blinded the family with burning sensation in the eyes. The family informed that within 15 minutes of burning the gas stove, the cylinder gave out unbearable smoke. It also gave out different color flame. It smelled like acid.
म्हाका जाल्यार सगळे भितर जेन्ना वाफ घेतली तेन्ना सगळे दोळे बी जळपाक लागले आनी जेन्ना तो आतां गॅस चालू केलो आनी उदक शिजयलें म्हणटकीर भितर किचनान सगळे दोळे जळटा सामके भितर प्रॉब्लेम जाता हय हो कित्याक तो वास असो की एसीड घालून आमी वास सोंसपाक जायना इतलो वास डेंजरस सारको.
They also informed that their cooking utensils and food was spoiled with the flames from the cylinder.
हेल्थान वचून आमी कंप्लेन करुया आतां सद्या हांव वचून हेल्थान कंप्लेन करता आनी हेजेर फुडें कित्याक कसलो तो गॅस कसलो कित्याक आमकां कळोंक ना कित्याक एसीड जावं कितें सपोज हांगा तर सपोज चुकोन एक गॅस दुसरो आसलो आनी ताचो तर एक 15-20 मिनटां चालू आसतना एक स्फोट जाल्लो जाल्यार कंप्लीट सगळ्यांकूच मार बसपाचो सगळ्यांची नुकसाणी जावपाची हय कोणा जिवाचो प्रॉब्लेम म्हणजे जिवाकूय धोको आसतलो.
The family is, however, unaware of the problem. They would complain to the health department. Our reporter Pratik Parab with Dinesh Karpe.
Samiksha Hardikar died on the spot at Vasco on Friday. She died while she was taking over a private bus halted at a wrong place in Vasco. She was crushed down by a truck speeding from the opposite side. Meanwhile, a bike robber has been arrested by Vasco police from Karnataka for robbing a motorbike from Goa.
Samiksha Naik was 32 years of age. She was travelling from Zuarinagar to Vasco A private bus carrying passengers suddenly halted at a wrong place to lift the passengers. Samiksha tried to take over the bus when a speeding truck approaching from the opposite side crushed her to death. The bus and truck driver absconded from the site. The truck driver then surrendered to police. However, bus driver is still absconding.
बस रुका, वो लड़की आके पीछे से थोड़ा टच करके वो से राइट साइड में ट्रक था, उसके टायर के अंदर गिर गए, पीछे टायर।
बस इधर क्या लोगों को ले रहा था खड़ा रह के?
हाँ, एक को ले रहा था,
पैसेंजर ले रहा था।
हाँ, पैसेंजर को ले रहा था। उसके बाद दोनों ट्रक वाला बस वाला उतर के देखा, देखे फिर वो दोनों मिलके चला गए।
दोनों गया?
हाँ, दोनों गए।
Meanwhile, Vasco police arrested a bike robber. Ajay Kumar from Gulbarga in Karnataka robbed a bike in Goa and fled to Karnataka. This bike belongs to one Ganesh Hegde from Vasco. He had lodged a complaint with the police 3 months back. Police accordingly acted on the complaint and arrested Ajay Kumar from Karnataka. He is now in police custody for 4 days. Our reporter in Vasco, Surendra Matkekar.
News from sports after we come back from a short break. Stay tuned.